there you have it. We're gonna get a little bit more B-roll as he's uninstalling the OEM heat exchanger, and then we'll be getting the nice new AMS heat exchanger installed shortly after that. That's where we're gonna end it for today's video. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the intakes video. Which we're actually about to start right now. All right, you guys, so Tiny got the driver's side intake installed. Also, just to recap, the process for installing these is to first put in the silicone tubing, followed by the MAP, then the bottom half of, what do you call that plastic piece, a clam shell, something or other?
Talking about this one?
Yeah, the plastic intake box.
It's like clamshell intakes, so it's two pieces.
There we go, that's the technical name. So followed by the bottom half of that, followed by the actual cone filter itself, so then you'll tighten that down, and then you just put the top on and secure it in right as you see there.
Don't forget the plugs.
And don't forget the plugs. So nonetheless, that's the whole thing. The rest that we have left to do is obviously to put the rest of this stuff back together on the front bumper, the crash bar, and the bumper cover itself, along with all of the top plastic and the air dam, I guess we'd call it, that connects to this.
I'd say air dam is a good word for it.
That's a good word for it. That's a good technical term. So that's gonna be it. We're gonna go ahead and let Tiny finish putting together the rest of the front end, and then we'll close this out. But installation, super, super easy. Again, if you guys are looking for these intakes for your car, check the link down in the description. It'll take you to our site where we have them listed. And if you're interested in any other parts that you're having a hard time finding for your Q60, let us know down in the comments below, because we'll do what we can to bring in all the parts that you guys are looking for. But we need to hear it from you first. So, Tiny, good luck. You guys, so as you can see, the Q60 is all buttoned back up. Everything's looking really nice, and based on what I could see, at least, obviously I wasn't super involved with doing the actual install itself, but based on what I was filming and watching Tiny go through, it seems like a super simple install. The only thing that gets to be a bit tricky is finessing some of the intakes into place where there's a little bit of room, or there's other stuff that's just in the way, but you know, such is life, right? So that's where we're gonna end today's episode. In the next one, you guys are gonna see AMS out here, and we're gonna be tuning the car on our dyno with their calibrator, who's gonna be in Chicago. So that's gonna be a really cool episode. We'll show you guys how the remote tuning process works with AMS. They'll be here, and we'll be tuning this car, and it should be making a ton more power already. It's crazy to think that this car is going to be as fast as it is this early in the game. And like I said, we're doing this one big. It's going to have all kinds of stuff done to it. It's going to be really fast, and it's going to look incredible. So stay tuned, you guys. You don't want to miss this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that little bell. I'm not really sure what it does, but make sure you also leave us a big old thumbs up on the video, because YouTube says that's the best way to tell them that this is a great video. And I know you loved it. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.